Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge Week 5 problem, day 29. Congratulations, you have reached the last second day of September Leetcode Challenge. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a non-empty string S and a dictionary word dict containing a list of non-empty words, we have to determine if S can be segmented into a space-separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. Okay. Note, the same word in the dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. Okay. You may assume the dictionary does not contain multiple words. Now let's have a look at the example. Let's see what it says. Example 1. Here input string is Leetcode and word dictionary is Leetcode. So yes, we'll return true. Why? Because we can make Leetcode with help of segmented codes lead and code. Now let's have a look at the second example. Here, our input string is apple, pen, apple, and the words are apple and pen. Remember, we were told that we can reuse a word multiple times in segmentation. So, we are going to do just the same. We'll return true because apple, pen, apple can be segmented as apple, pen, apple. Note that you're allowed to reuse a dictionary word. Okay, now let's have a look at the last example. Let's see what it says. Here we have an input string cats and dog. Here our word dict is cats, dog, sand and cat. We'll return false. Why? Because let's see here we have cats, then we have dog, and in between we have an, but there is no such word here. Or if we look at any other example, like say we make cats, then we make ant with and we'll remain with og. So we do not have any other possible combination also such that it can be segmented, so we are returning false here. It should become more clearer to you once we code. So let's quickly head over to the coding section. I will make use of a helper function here. Initially, I'll define a dictionary with dynamic programming here. Then I'll define my helper function here. I'll take the input S here. Now, if our string is empty, then we can return true. This will be treated as our base condition. After that, we will check if S is in DP, then we will return DP of S. Now, I'll run a for loop over a word dict. Now, for every word in word dict, if the word is equal to the string by segmenting till length of word, and see, we are calling a helper function here. In that case, we can set dp of s as true. Now we can return true here. We'll again set dp of s to false. Once done, at last we can call our helper function here. Now let's try running our code. Okay. Now let's try submitting it. And we are done. You can join my Discord server and Telegram channel for regular updates. You should also look at my other YouTube tutorial videos, how to web scrape coronavirus data into MX Excel, how to make your own Google Chrome extension, and how to create your own image captcha with Python. Link is available in the description box below. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.